But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's your girl D. I'm just gonna talk to you guys for a little bit. Probably won't be a long video since I'm going on the road. I'm going to get my kids. Yeah, me go up on the road. Bumper grass, so boy, I'm stressed right. So yeah, just put up bad and be things. Yeah, guys. So I know say I will leave out, probably I wonder, how this COVID thing I go. Like we stressed out, like we extremely stressed out, cause it's just been going on for a while and nobody don't know when it's going in. And then the fact that the government say everybody might catch it and whatever is so bad. But guys, them say prevention is better than cure, and me feel like all we need to do is continue wearing the mask and don't go to nobody's yard more than so. Try to limit the amount of people that you have around you, because it's for the best. Yes. So as I say, I walk go out of the road, go look at taxi. I didn't flat my hair because I can't bother with that. And I decided to just come and talk to you guys for a little bit about random stuff. I have some questions for you people, and this is the time when get to answer my questions, because I always answer your questions. So now it's time for you to answer my questions. Okay, so the first question is, do you think it is okay for a man's side chick to befriend his wife? Let me explain the question. Do you think it is okay for a man's side chick and his wife to be friends? Yeah. The second question is, do you think getting into a relationship, like you and a man just start link, like the man have kids and whatever, despite the things that he tells you about his kids, do you think it is okay for you, the female, to just take it up on your head to not speak to that child? Like, you come in at the yard, you see the child, you don't talk to her, you don't talk to him because, hey, like, your man tell you, say, the pitney I read, so you automatically believe that the pitney I read, and you don't give the child the time of the day to try to figure out who that child is. Like, do you think that is okay? Guys, don't make me tell you, ask no question, and don't watch my video, and don't answer my questions, them, I hate it. Okay? Next question. If you're dating somebody for a while and them have a baby for you, you grow the child, you love the child, everything, but then I file for the child to go overseas and you figure out that the child is not yours, what would you do? Would you A, leave, B, still file for the child, D, murder them? We have to put that in there because we know the man nowadays, them love murder people. We don't like murder people, so we have to put that in there. Big and strong and long. Next question. If you go sleep out with your partner, hi. If you have an abusive partner, but next question. If you have an abusive partner and you go sleep out with your partner, like a one night stand or whatever, you sleep out with your partner, upon a week or a month after you find out you catch AIDS from the person you sleep out with your partner with now, I'm not even gonna focus on the part where you catch AIDS, like to figure we're gonna do the person, we're not focus on that. We're focused on the part where say you catch AIDS. Your partner, you alone, your partner sleep with, and you've been fucking this person raw all along, you never catch AIDS before. Now, you sleep with this new person, you realize you're HIV positive. Now your partner abusive, bad. He will kill you if he realize you fuck on him much less You fuck pan him and go catch AIDS. Yeah. So now you don't know what to do because all in your mind, if you tell him, I'm gonna kill you, and if you don't tell him, him still gonna kill you. Cause you gonna fuck him and then him gonna catch AIDS. What would you do? Would you walk out of the relationship knowing that your partner is very abusive and will beat the fuck out of you before you can leave? Or would you just fuck him and give him AIDS and then blame him for walking out? What would you do? So guys, those are my questions. Tell me how to feel. Watch the video, like the video, comment, answer my questions, because I want to meet them for. So I love you guys. I love all of my supporters so very much. Thanks for continuing to watching my videos. I love you to the moon and back. I really appreciate, you know. And I hope that you guys can stay COVID-19 free. Due to how with me catching me dead and done and gone and everything already. So you don't know how it go. Yeah, I love you guys though.